my dolls, what's up, and welcome back to another video, y'all. Today's video is a get ready with me video, so we're going to get ready and do my makeup. Y'all gonna get ready with me while I do my makeup for a brunch date. Y'all, I am tired. I've been up since like 3 this morning watching Tubi shows and stuff, so your girl is tired. It is 9:41 in the morning and I need to leave out within an hour. So we're going to try to get my makeup done really quick and get dressed. So I'm going to start off with the Morphe eyebrow pencil. This is the micro brow in chocolate. This is what I use all the time to do my brows. So I'm going to clean my brows with the LA Pro concealer. This is the color Warm Honey, y'all. Next, I'm going to set my eyebrows with the NYX, the brow glue. It's a clear product, y'all. It just look a little brown because, you know, I've been using it, but it's clear. So this is really good to keep your brows in place, to hold them little hairs in place. Okay, so I'm still going to take that, the concealer I showed y'all earlier, the LA Pro Concealer in Warm Honey. I'm going to place it all over my lid and use it as a eyeshadow base. Okay, so I am a neutral girl. I love neutral tone eyeshadows. So I'm going to go in with the Neutral Territory 9T palette. This is Morphe palette. Yeah, and as you can see, I usually use like the brown shades, so that's what I'm gonna do. And lately, y'all, I've been opting out on liner, the liquid liner, the wing. I haven't been doing that lately, so I don't think I'm going to do that today. Yeah, your girl is getting over the wings sometimes, but you know, I don't need it all the time. Oh, and the color I'm going in with is Open Mind. Keep an open mind, okay? Then I'm going to go in the shade Promise, which is this shade right here. This is the simplest go-to look you could possibly do. Going in with some mascara. Any mascara is okay. I always put on mascara before I put on my eyelashes. Okay, then I'm about to put on these lashes my best friend gave me. I'm not sure where she got them from. Maybe Amazon. I'll ask her. But these are cute and they flare and they are definitely giving brunch girl, so I'm gonna put my lashes on off camera and come back. Okay, so I'm gonna put my other lash on in a minute, but I'm going in with the Power Grip Primer, y'all. This is a holy grail. But y'all, this stuff is magic in a bottle. I do not recommend the setting spray though. That is a flop. But this, get it. Alright, so we're going in with Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the color Warm Sand. And I'm also going to go back in with that same LA Pro concealer to cover up a little blemishes. No, I don't have a lot. Just a tiny bit. Use a sponge to be quicker. So I'm going to contour with the Black Radiance contour palette, y'all. This is light to medium. I'm gonna set my makeup with the Laura Mercier powder. I'm gonna just set my whole face with this. The same palette, I'm going to use the highlighter. Okay, so I'm going in with MAC Chestnut Lip Liner. Alright, I'm going in this MAC lipstick, Velvet Teddy. Then we're going to top it off with Milk and Honey Gloss by NYX. And this is what I came up with. Then I'm going to set my makeup with the MAC Fits Me setting spray. Okay, I'm gonna let my face dry because yeah, this a lot came out. But yeah, after my face dry, I'm gonna show y'all my outfit, so I'll be back. I put my fuck up in that.